Hi everyone, I want to show you how to make this delicious, easy stuffed bell peppers. They're sweet, they're delicious peppers. It's something new to use with your peppers. So of course we need bell peppers. We're gonna need ground turkey, butter, garlic, onion, carrot, rice, ketchup, sour cream, heavy cream, salt, pepper, and chicken broth, or I use the chicken base and then you just add water and it turns to like chicken stock. So I like that one. So yeah, first things first, we are gonna rinse our rice and we're just gonna put it to cook. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're just gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. So it's not gonna be completely cooked. So in the boiling water, we're just gonna throw in our rinsed rice and we're just gonna mix it a little bit and let it cook while we saute our onion. So I just diced it up. You don't want it too large, kind of want it make it thin, and just saute it over medium heat. And while that's working, we're gonna grate our carrot and then put it in here and also continue to saute and mix over medium heat. Now that's done. I'm gonna set it aside if you are working on something else. So I got the meat in the bowl, salt, pepper. Now we're gonna add in our onion and carrot mixture. And our rice is done. Well, the time is up for like the 10 minutes. It's not completely cooked, so I'm just gonna drain the excess water. We don't need it. And sometimes I like to rinse it with cold water just to get the extra starchiness out. And place this, but you don't have to do that. And place it into the meat mixture. The rice, the sauteed carrots and onion, and the meat. We're just gonna mix that. Alrighty, so the mixture for the meat mixture is done. So now let's get to our peppers. So you just want to wash that, of course, and we're just going to remove the tops and remove the seeds. So try to get them out without, slicing. And now that we have that ready, we're just going to, put in a clean bowl and just set it aside. And we're going to need to prepare our casserole dish where we're going to place our peppers. So have that ready. I kind of oiled it a little bit, but you don't need to, just me. So some ways of doing this, my best version of doing this is just with your fingers and just stuff it in. You can use a Ziploc bag and just kind of like put in cream, I guess. But you just use your fingers and make sure you put it all the way in. That way there's meat at the very bottom as well, not just the top. And once all of that is filled, we are going to place it into a casserole dish and have it ready. All right, let's clean up our mess and start on the sauce. The sauce, we're going to put ketchup, sour cream, and butter all at once over medium heat. Just going to mix it all together, bring it to a slight boil. We're going to want to combine it together to turn it to this. Bring it to a slight boil, then add in your chicken broth or chicken stock, your heavy cream, salt, pepper, and right now would be the time where you want to try on the saltiness, if it's salty, because we're going to be pouring this over our peppers. So once you bring that to a boil, we are ready to pour it in over our bell peppers, which I have done that now. So what we're going to do is cover with foil, and we're going to put this to bake at 400 Fahrenheit for about 40 to 50 minutes or until it's cooked, Alrighty, these have cooked. Very delicious and easy to make, You can also freeze half of it once it cools, or before you put it to bake, you can also do that too. But I like to first cook it and then freeze it. That way next time I just reheat. But yeah, so